A Tri-Cities family is suing the Richland School District after their daughter was hit by a truck at her bus stop last October. Today, I spoke with one of their lawyers who says the student involved has life-changing injuries.
Rush to the hospital, your child's been hit by a car.
Attorney Megan Changaruya says every parent's nightmare happened to one Richland family last fall.
On this particular day, she crossed the road behind the bus after the bus had already drove away, and so did not have the safety or protection of the bus being there, typically with the stop sign that's flashing and illuminated to alert other drivers that a pedestrian is crossing, and was struck by a truck when she crossed the road.
We initially identified the 11-year-old Chief Joseph middle schooler when the incident happened, but the girl's identity, along with her mother's, has been kept anonymous in a complaint filed against the Richland School District on August 23rd. The truck driver who hit the girl is also named in the lawsuit.
Suffered significant injuries, was hospitalized for over a month, underwent multiple surgeries, and ultimately suffered a traumatic brain injury.
The school district says they cannot comment on pending litigation. According to their transportation policy, which every student and parent must sign, students agree to cross the street in front of the bus. The OSPI bus driver handbook says bus drivers have the primary responsibility for their students while loading, unloading, and crossing the street.
Bus drivers are supposed to make every reasonable effort to make sure that kids get across the road safely, and also to make sure that kids never cross behind the bus but in front of the bus.
Changaruya says if anything, they're trying to shed light on a safety issue. Any monetary reward would be decided if the case goes to court.
These policies not only need to exist, but they need to be consistently enforced to make sure that things like this don't happen to somebody else, but also to bring an awareness to an issue that obviously exists and needs to be addressed.
Now again, RSD said they cannot comment on pending litigation. We'll continue to follow this case. You can also read the original story from October 2021 by visiting yaktrinews.com.